Unveiling the secrets of travel-savvy seniors. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and inspiring topic: travel-savvy seniors. We're going to explore what it means to be travel-savvy, especially as a senior, and share some tips on how you can embrace this lifestyle, no matter your age. Stay tuned to discover how traveling can be tailored to everyone, highlighting the independence, wisdom, and adventurous spirit of seniors who love to explore the world. Before we go further, let's break down what we mean by travel savvy. Being savvy refers to having practical knowledge or understanding of something. Therefore, a travel-savvy person is someone who knows how to travel efficiently, cost-effectively, and safely. They understand the best ways to plan trips, navigate new places, manage budgets, and overcome common travel challenges. This expertise is often gained through experience. Now, let's add the senior component to our exploration. Seniors, typically defined as individuals aged 65 and older, bring a wealth of life experience to their travel adventures. Despite common misconceptions, many seniors are eager and capable travelers, often with more flexibility and time to indulge in their travel desires. The phrase, travel-savvy senior, celebrates the growing trend of older adults who are breaking stereotypes by actively exploring new cultures, destinations, and experiences around the globe. Seniors make great travelers for several reasons. First, they often have the freedom and time to embark on longer or more flexible trips. Secondly, many have accumulated life skills and wisdom that make them adept at handling the uncertainties of travel. Furthermore, seniors are typically more interested in cultural experiences and leisurely exploration, preferring quality over quantity in their travel choices. Becoming a travel-savvy senior is about embracing adventure while being smart about your travel choices. Here are a few tips. Plan ahead, research your destination thoroughly and make arrangements in advance. Stay safe. Prioritize your health and safety, keeping necessary medications and insurance details handy. Embrace technology. Use apps and online resources to find the best deals, navigate new cities, and stay connected. Seek comfort. Don't compromise on comfort. Look for accommodations and transport options that cater to your needs. Connect with locals and other travelers. Engaging with others can enrich your travel experience and offer new insights. We hope this video has inspired you to see that age is just a number when it comes to exploring the world. Travel-savvy seniors are proof that with the right knowledge, planning, and spirit, travel can be a rewarding part of life at any stage. Whether you're a senior yourself or you know someone who is, remember that adventure doesn't retire. Until our next video, happy travels and stay curious.